Suppose if you are using Microsoft Word files, then you can see that suppose if I want to rename all this January to February, if I want to replace all this January as February, I'm showing this just as an example. So if I want to change all this January to February, then there is an option you can see in the Word. There you can see the option replace here. You can see this one replace on the side, that is in the home. If you click your Word file, you can see this. First you must click this home. If you click the home, then you can see on the side there it is an option called a replace here. So must click this replace. After opening the Word document, you must click the replace, and here it will ask find what, or and the second one is this, and this the replace. So here find what. So if I am going to type here January, and I am going to replace it with February, or I am going to replace it with for example, I am going to show you, I am going to replace it with hello, HELLO, and after that I am going to click this replace all. Then you can see that all this January become hello. I am going to click this replace all. Now you can see that after that you can see that all this January on the side become hello of this video. I'll see you for more videos. Subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.